Today we'll see about like how to create a window form application. For that we need to have the Visual Studio. By opening Visual Studio, first we need to click on File, New, Project. After clicking on Project, we'll be seeing the different options that are available in Visual Studio. In that we need to select the Windows Form application. Here we can set our project name. Let us name our project as Sample Window Form Application. Sample Window Form App. Okay. Yeah. Once we click on OK, we'll get a screen where our sample form will be located. Today we see how to create a login page using the sample form. For our login page, we need to have controls like labels. So I need two labels and two text boxes for my username and password, and one button to submit all my values. Okay, how to rename the content of my label? I have to right click on that and go to properties. In that I'll find a value, a property by name text. Here I can change the value of my text. I want to specify it as a username, so my label 2 has to be password. Okay, whatever the data that I'm going to enter in my text box 1 and text box 2 should be like processed, and after processing it has to be go to the next page, and I'll rename my button as submit. Okay, I'll rename my form name as my login. Okay, so I can resize my form name based on the size I need. So whenever I type something, it has to be entered. Okay, to create an event we have to trigger an event. So our event should be written in submit form, submit button. So if I double click on that, it will be taking me to the backend code where I can see the function button one underscore click. This is the place where the event is generated. So today we'll see how to like use text. Okay, so I want to display whatever text I have used in my application. So what I'll do is like I'll create a string variable for holding my text box 1 content. I'll name my string variable as text1 is equal to text box 1 dot text. Whatever it is written in the first text box will be taken into the text1 string, and whatever the content I write in text box 2 will be taken into my text box 2 string. Okay, so here I have taken up the text box contents, that is the value of the contents whatever I write. So I'll display it using a alert box. To create an alert box, I need to use message box class. In that I have a show function which take string as a parameter. Okay, what I'm do, my user, sorry, your user name is, to concatenate strings we need to use plus operator. Plus operator concatenates the string, and your password is, So this displays what is my username and what is my password. Generally the password fields takes in the form of encrypted data. To do that, what I have to do is like I have to select the text box and properties. It will be taking me to the properties. There what I have to do, I have to select the password style. To select the password style, so here I have to set my password character. If I want to use a typical password character star, it will be used. To run your program, we have to press Control plus. So our program will be compiled and then it will be executed. So I'll type my username as Sunil and the password as ABC. And if I click on submit, your username is Sunil and your password is ABC is displayed in an alert box, that is our message box. Okay, this is how it's a sample application created using a WinForm. Thank you.